Well, hello there, YouTube. What is Sunday, the 20, what is it? Oh my gosh. I looked on my phone, 27th? Yeah, 27th, I think. But it actually warmed up today. I got that GoPro on, I think, but maybe not. Let's try this. There we go. Guess I got to turn that one on manually just because it's maybe the GoPro only works with one of them at a time. Used to be both of them. Boy, I don't know what the temp is. It said it's 70 on here, but it could be. It was sitting in the sun as I got it out and just let it warm up while I got the GoPros going. Pretty nice out today. It was cold. It was like 80 degrees on Monday, 76 on last Sunday, and then it got in the 30s at night and maybe 45, 46 tops during the day all week. Even yesterday was like top 46. This morning was cool too, so it just finally warmed up. Finally. I got the Hero 10 on the helmet and the Hero 9 in front of me. I don't know how I'm going to do the the video without the... Oh gosh, I used Final Cut. Used to use Final Cut Pro and I could do it. Now I only have Final Cut Pro on my iMac. So I use Premiere Pro now, and I'm still learning it. That's what I've been using. Don't know where I'm going, but man, it's pretty nice out. Bye.